Hello everyone, this is Assistant Team of Research Office at Education Faculty. We are here to support in promoting open access to our faculty's academic work and achievements, knowledge sharing, and increasing social impact of our faculty members' research. You can contact us through email. Whenever you need assistance, we are here for you. If you are from other faculty of Western University, you can contact the university's research support or research offices of your department. Today we are going to introduce Scholarship at Western. Scholarship at Western is an open access platform that operated by Western libraries. It collects and disseminates various kinds of materials created by our faculty members. The website can be accessed by anyone, including people who don't have access to university libraries. And by uploading your work to Scholarship at Western, the platform can increase the number of readers and citations of your works. Here we have a look at one of our productive researchers, Dr. Frank Boers. You can search his name and it will show you Dr. Boers uploads and articles that under his supervision. The search engine also has advanced options. Now let's have a look at how to create your account in Scholarship at Western. This is the first step that set up your profile and sharing your academic works on this open access platform. You can open the website of Scholarship at Western, then click My Account and click Sign Up. Input your email address, your first and last name, and set up passwords. Then we can click the button of Sign Up. After creating your account, you will have a profile on Scholarship at Western and ready to share your work on this platform. Your account will also go through our research office and the libraries to inform our staff that your account is created. This is fast and easy. However, if you need help in creating account on Scholarship at Western or have any question regarding creating new account, please contact us and we would like to provide assistance.